Okay, well, apparently it's on.
Yeah.
We can, yeah, that sounds great. So this is Seaside on our right. We'll take it right here. Yep.
That's okay.
We'll go way slow, and you're gonna want to go in not this lane, but the lane to our left. Yeah. You can just hold the brakes. Wow. To make it a little bit easier on your Bibsy, feel free to, with your right hand, turn the gear down.
Turn it down?
Yeah, it should make a little click, and you pedal slower, but you're gonna go a little bit faster, so you'll use a little bit less work.
No, I think it's, yeah, okay.
So the yeah, oh okay, then you're fine then. Yeah, the one that you pedal really fast on is usually good for when you're going uphill.
Yeah. Why is mine creepy? It's looking creepy.
I don't know why it's making that noise. Oh, you know what? I think you might be on the lowest gear. If you try to click to another one, what happens?
Wait, how do I do it?
Oh, okay.
Like this, right? I just gotta move this?
Yeah, it's like this thing.
Yeah.
I heard it click. Yeah, and are you?
Now it's slower.
Yeah. So that's really good because it's slower, but you're gonna be going faster with each push.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, at the end of the day, you use a little bit less energy, so it's a little bit. You won't get as exhausted as fast or anything. Even though it's a pretty chill bike ride, so. Oh, yep.
I got a bottle of water with me.
Oh, nice.
Oh, actually, I forgot to fill it up. It's like too hard.
So you have a water bottle.
Yeah. I have a bottle.
That's a start.
Yeah.
I have a full one.
You do?
Yeah.
You're more prepared than I
I had a little bit more time while you guys were getting McDonald's. No, I did not get a McMuffin. That wasn't cool.
You guys should have done that.
Oh, yeah. You know, last time I was here, me and a buddy, we rented one of the e-scooters, and we both tried to partner up on it. It was really, it's like feels so sketchy, but it's a lot of fun.
Like, did you guys try the same e-bike?
Yeah, we shared the same e-scooter.
It was not a tandem one?
What?
Was it a tandem or was it like a...
No, it was a normal scooter.
Yeah, okay, I'm kind of picturing it in my head and it
You have to like, you really have to hold the other person, or else you fall off.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Really interesting.
Hey. It was a good time. It was a good time. I hope the camera's recording. I don't know if it is. Does anyone see a red flash?
I see blue lights. I don't...
You see a, oh, there's a light.
You want to just like park for a second and figure it out?
Yeah, we can test to see. Okay.
Honestly, this is kind of fun. Like, I guess why people want to live in Cali. Because you have so many outdoorsy stuff.
Oh my gosh. And this place is popular. It's outdoorsy. You don't have to worry about winter.
I know, right?
Yeah.
The
Like-
only thing I do not like about LA is that you need cars and stuff. Like, it's not
Yeah.
walkable.
You know,
But
if
I
you,
think SF is walkable, right?
SF is really walkable. If you ever visit SF, super walkable place. It's really great.
Yeah.
I mean, Garrett has been visiting me for a couple years now, and I've never owned a car, and I've gotten around just fine. Yeah.
Have had to use Waymo in the future.
We've had to use Waymo, yeah, Waymo.
I want to try Waymo. Is it only in SF or is it in other places?
I think this,
Went to New York too.
is there a Waymo in LA? Yeah, there's probably Waymos in LA.
We've seen a few of them.
Okay.
Maybe I
Waymo
can
if
do
we
that.
wanted. You have the app, right?
We can, you know what, let's get close to the observatory, and then we can take a Waymo to go up the observatory. That'd be kind of cool.
You want to park over here? Just check out your
Sure.
GoPro.
Ooh. Okay, let's see if it's recording.
Honestly, this looks really good. Like, the trees look really good.
I know, it's very well made.
It's recording.
Okay.
It's recording.
Yeah, there's a blinking red light, which means it's recording. All right, here.
Gotcha.
Yeah. The only thing I don't know is what the camera angle looks like. I just assume that it looks pretty okay. But
Well, that's all you really can do.
yeah, I really don't know. I wonder how long I should record for. I kind of want to. Are we getting close to Venice Beach? I don't even know how far away it is.
We've been biking for like 5 minutes.
I feel like bikes kind of fast though.
They do be kind of fast. I mean, yeah, that's true. In like 20 minutes, I was able to do almost the entire half of Miami Beach.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh,
We made like no progress.
no, we're like halfway there.
Oh,
Yeah.
perfect. So I might as well just keep this as one long recording.
Yeah, we're halfway there. Let me check how far. Oh, 10-minute bike ride to the end.
Okay, great.
Guys, let's do a selfie.
Yeah.
And Jacob will have a
Hey,
GoPro.
okay, do you want me to do my GoPro?
Yeah, no, leave it on.
Okay.
You want this to be an authentic.
Yeah.
Do the other way around now.
Other way around.
Oh, like towards the.
Yeah, the
You
tree.
should
Okay.
do like that in the background, like the
Okay, like
line
here?
of palm trees in the background.
Yeah.
That view
Just gorgeous.
right
like
here.
this.
Yeah,
Okay.
something like that.
Do you guys want like pictures of you two together or something?
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, wait. Okay.
He makes me feel safe.
Oh, so cute.
Friends.
Okay.
No silly one.
Okay. Oh yeah. The cool.
Do we look cool?
I think you do, yeah.
I'm not smiling. Garrett, don't smile.
Okay, cool. I
Okay.
got a few.
Perfect. Perfect.
This is awesome.
We can put that on our album cover.
Yeah, we will. We just need to start a band. I just need to be musically talented.
Show that to Marty at Universal Studios. He'll get us signed for a record deal.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, Jacob, you want to lead the way?
I'll lead.
You want to muddy up your GoPro recording.
Yeah. Okay. Left, then right. Okay. Hand signal.
We're playing street rules, all right?
Gary, you should upload your Miami one to YouTube if it's not there.
In the what?
You should upload your video to YouTube.
Why? Oh, because it's like, yeah, it's like a
Yeah, it's cool.
really satisfying video.
I would like to see that.
I'll share it with you.
All right.
It's special. It's like 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
Okay.
But it was like a perfect day. It was like not a cloud in the sky, sunny Miami Beach. Everyone was out.
And you're biking?
What?
You were biking?
Yeah. They have like a bike path like this that goes all the way up to North Beach.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, still like.
I don't know. I think they're just nice condos.
Yeah, they're all like townhouses.
Yeah.
I'm sure that's worth it. I don't care how far away. It's gonna be like
Yeah. What's the accent? Wow, then.
I know.
Might get bored enough of what
Jacob, watch out.
I'm taking the land. Okay. What's going on?
Oh.
Oh, is he thinking about returning the bikes? Are we going to return? Okay. Okay, cool. I'm really excited. I think we're close to where the skaters are. I can feel it.
I'm trying to video this.
Yeah, do you want to stop over here?
Yeah, I'll take a stop.
Okay. So, slowing.
No, let's just keep going until there's like a second for people.
Okay, that sounds good.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Like over here.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah?
Oh, that's cool. The Venice sign is cool. We heard already, I think.
Venice.
We should take a picture there. I want to test another sign. Yeah, makes sense.
We'll get up forward.
Tell me when to stop and I'll stop.
I actually think we can just continue to the end and then walk to the boardwalk so we can get plenty of
I'll be down for that, and that makes my GoPro footage more like easy, continuous. It's gonna increase my viewership once I make it big.
I think that's on Instagram, not on
What are y'all talking about?
Guys, Skater boy.
Skater boy?
Yeah.
I think they're soon.
We should go up there and sing Skater boy.
I think they would really appreciate that. They'd be like, oh, a song about us. I'm really glad we were able to sing the song at the end. I was starting to get worried they forgot about us. Oh! Oh, the whole gang. I see the skaters. Skaters are that way. I think the skater guys were actually back there. I don't know if you saw them. We'll walk back and we'll see them.
You saw like the skate park?
No, I didn't see that.
Oh yeah, it was on that hill.
Well, yeah. Do you know when the end is, Garrett?
What?
Do you know when the end is?
You want to park for a second and figure that out?
Yeah.
Let's keep going forward until we can go around that bend, and then we can.
Okay. Okay. Right here?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
I imagine we must be getting closer to the end.
I think we are.
Right.
Alrighty.
Oh.
Oh.
Sorry.
All right.
Or you can't park there.
We must be pretty close. We haven't passed.
Yeah.
We haven't passed by the muscle gym yet.
We did though, didn't we?
Where's the skate park?
Oh.
I saw
Muscle Beach sign.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay. I saw a playground.
Oh yeah, we passed it. It's on the other side of this parking lot. That's where the Metro bike is. So go back there. There's gonna be a crosswalk that go up in the middle. You see between that apartment building and that other gray building at the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where the Metro bike park area is.
Oh, okay.
So we'll just go back there, park our bikes, and we'll start.
Okay, and then I'll end my GoPro footage.
We're gonna have to fix all these stops and posts.
Hey, yeah, it's gonna be fixed in post. Audience, if you can hear this, don't worry.
Let it to the editor, edit this out.
Hey.
Can you make me look really heroic and like what I'm doing? Here, you want me to lead? So since I looked at the map.
Sure.
Alright.
I see it. Yeah, wait, we passed it again. It's back here. Boop. Doo-doo. I see one spot. I see one spot. Is it just one?
There's another one nearby.
Okay.
Just the one?
Yeah, it's just one. Do you know where any others are?
There's one up this road on the right, and that has 6 spots.
Okay. Well, I'll go. It's up the block though.
Yeah, I think around the circle. Let's wait for a brief run.
Yeah, we can. Oh.
It's this right here. So we go up 1 block.
Oh, okay. We can just walk it, honestly. We don't. No stress. This was fun. I love that song.
I love it.
Where is it again? It's like
Oh, thanks.
yeah, so fun.
We gotta cross to the other side of the road as well.
Yeah.
Do you think we did the full half hour? It feels like it's only been like 20 minutes.
Hey, we'll take the camera footage.
That's funny. Good.
Well, the thing is too is we didn't do the part where we biked underneath the pier because we started right after.
Yes. Yes, that's correct.
Oh, is it?
Needle J take them.
This is a bad spot to park a bike scooter. I see it.
Yeah, I see it.
I see it.
Was this like under 30 minutes?
I think it was like pretty close.
Pretty close.
Okay, group high five to end the video. Group high five, group five.
All the way in, it's gonna make a beeping sound.
Yeah.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, bikes!
Bikes! Venice Beach!
Venice Beach!